Ben, fun! Ben, is this apple or an apple? It's an apple. Hey, everyone. Let's learn articles together. Yeah.
In English, we use articles.
Aha, I understand. We use A before consonant sounds. Right. Apple. Oh no, Zen. We use N before vowel sounds. Before an apple. I want the ball. Ooh, you got it. Yay! Yay! We use that for a special thing. Wow. Really? Yes. Let's play a game. A new game. Yay! Hooray! A cat. Yay! Yay! An orange. Oh no! The moon. The moon. A for consonants, and for vowels. The for special things. Right, that's correct. See you next time. English is fun.